Windy weather, guys. Driving on windy weather. Be careful when you drive on windy weather, especially if you cross like really. I've been in Nevada and I was actually driving from Nevada to Oregon, and it was very windy places, close to Reno and Las Vegas as well. When it is windy, your car becomes your RV motorhome becomes like large cardboard. Cardboard. Just imagine how large is the surface, and when wind is very strong, you can feel it. And what you need to do, you need to reduce the speed. Sometime I drove not more than 40 miles an hour. 40 miles, guys. If with normal conditions your speed can be like 60, maybe 65 sometime. If super windy, 40-50 miles an hour could be quite fast if you want to drive safe, because you need to control the steering wheel. You should keep it under control much like stronger, and pay more attention because car goes left and right. That's all I wanted to say about driving in windy weather.